Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Excellence 360. I hope you all are enjoying and learning through my videos. This video demonstrates how to create your own object class. Prepare model with this class and demonstrate inheritance by changing a property in the class itself. This property will automatically be changed in all of its instances. To start creating the model, we expand the folder Material Flow in the class library. Click the object station with the right mouse and select Duplicate. This creates an object called Station 1 in the class library. Click the Station 1 with the right mouse button and select Rename. Enter My Station and press Enter. Next, we add a class to the toolbar. Material Flow in the toolbox by dragging the object to the toolbar and dropping it there. Now we are ready to model with our class. On the menu bar, click View, select Planning View. Now we see the frame from the top. It makes it easier to place the object in the right position. We will build a production line by inserting a source, two instances of My Station, and a drain. We then connect them. We also insert a chart to show the result of the simulation. Run. Drag the object My Station and My Station 1 on the chart and drop it there. As we want to check the statistics value of the resources later on, we select Resource Statistics in the dialog that opens. Switch off Planning View. Now we are ready to run the simulation. Click the right mouse button and select Reset and Start. The chart shows that stations are running all the time. This is not realistic. This is because our station has availability to 100%. That means it never fails. To change this, let's decrease the availability in the class. Double-click My Station in the toolbar to open the class object. Click the tab Failure and click the button New to add a new failure profile. Type availability 80%, then click OK. Let me open the instances of My Station. We see that they also have availability 80%. That means they inherited the value from the class. Finally, we run the simulation again. Now when you check the chart, we will notice that the station now also failed, blocked, and were waiting for parts. Double-click the drain object to open its dialog on the tab Type Statistic. We see throughput per hour of about 40%. Next, we are going to increase the throughput of our line by reducing the blocking time and the waiting time. To do so, we insert a buffer between My Station and My Station 1. Select the buffer on the toolbar, Material Flow. Hold down the left mouse button, drag the buffer over the connection between My Station and My Station 1 and drop it there. This will split the connection and insert the buffer between these two stations. Double-click the buffer to open its dialog enter capacity of 4 parts. Click OK to close the dialog of the buffer. We then insert another chart and drag the buffer onto it. Plant Simulation will ask which type of chart it is to show. Select Occupancy to see the number of moving objects located in the buffer over time. You will notice that the plant simulation changes the icon of the chart. Next, we run the simulation again and view the values. Each of the individual columns in histogram represents time portion of the simulation time, during which the respective number of parts is located in the buffer. We open the dialog of drain again and check the throughput per hour on the tab Type Statistics. We see that adding the buffer increases the throughput values to about 46 parts per hour. To check the throughput increases if we increases the size of the buffer, we change its capacity from 4 to 10 parts. Reset the model, double-click the buffer, enter the new capacity of 10 parts. Then run the simulation and check the values again. We see that the portion of the blocking time and the waiting time of both stations decreased. Check the type statistics of the drain. This also increases the throughput per hour. To gain the perfection, keep practicing and experimenting with different values. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.